Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Chestnut Ridge Weather Center video. I'm Steve Cooper, updating you for potential for some winter weather tonight. We got a couple of things I want to pass along to you. The first thing I want to talk about tonight is the winter weather potential. As the National Weather Service office in Morristown, Tennessee, has issued a hazardous weather outlook for much of the Cumberland Plateau. While currently there is a special weather statement for Victors County, and we'll get into that here in a few minutes. Right now, currently here in Chestnut Ridge, we've got a temperature of 33 degrees with a humidity of 79% and a barometric pressure at 29.70 inches of mercury and rising. Plus, for those of you that are watching my Accurate, for those of you that are watching current conditions from the Weather Underground, I do not have all the station information in, but hopefully by tomorrow we'll be getting a new station and you will know more about what's going on here in Chestnut Ridge. Currently we've got a temperature of 35 degrees, humidity 79%, and our pressure is currently 29.7 inches of mercury and rising. We'll be taking our old station and giving it away to a very special needy cause, and we hope that they really sincerely and thoroughly enjoy it, as she is my cousin and definitely a great big participant in Scotland. Let's go ahead and talk about the potential for winter weather. First of all, winter weather advisories are in effect for Avery, Yancey, Mitchell, and following counties of East Tennessee. And now this goes into the Smoky Mountains areas for moisture pouring into the mountains of the northeast winds combined with passing disturbances. This will allow periods of snowfall, and it should be around the advisory criteria. Now, right now, currently, there is also the advisory that go for the extreme western slopes of the Carolinas. Currently, we make our way down through Virginia. 1 to 4 inches of snow is possible through there across Virginia, West Virginia area, with winds possible 10, 20, maybe 30 miles per hour. Currently, there's just some advisories there. Let's go and talk about the winter weather potential and show you what's going on here at the Chestnut Ridge Weather Center. We're watching several things. First of all, we look at the latest temperatures. Once again, this is a kind of map from the Weather Underground, actually. Or actually the telecast.com. If we look at the telecast.com weather map here, it's currently 59 in Dallas, 54 in Brownsville. I'm imagining some of these temperatures would have changed. 69 in Miami, Florida down there, and 46 in Atlanta, while it's currently 59 in Dallas, 46 in Albuquerque, while it's currently 32 in Kansas City, 33 in Chicago, while 30 in Indianapolis, 44 in Wilmington, North Carolina, currently at 44 in Washington, D.C., while it's 39 in Boston. Currently 57 degrees over in San Francisco, while it's 48 degrees into Washington. So watching system pretty close here as we watch the weather radar update. There you see the Clipper system stretching from northeast parts of the state to the mid-Atlantic all the way down through Kentucky. Looks like this Clipper system is going to be bringing much needed moisture across the Tennessee Valley as we start seeing this moisture rise up through the Gulf Coast into the Tennessee Valley. We could be easily looking at some snowfall with a little bit lesser accumulations. Looks like around 1 to 2 inches for much of the northern plateau areas, the tip of the northern plateau areas, Kentucky-Tennessee border, while some of the areas across the Cumberland Plateau could see some isolated heavier amounts. The valley usually stay under the advisory criteria, around 1, maybe less than 1 inch or there or so, and also right on it through the Smoky Mountains into Virginia and West Virginia, where currently we could see at least 1 to 2 inches or more of snow possible. So we'll be watching that real close for you as we work our way into the forecast future. Here are the warnings across Middle Tennessee and the watches. There are currently, this is actually from News Channel 5. There are no watches or warnings that we need to be concerned about. However, like I said, there is a special weather statement that is currently in effect, and that goes into in effect from Nashville, Tennessee. Actually, as you can see here, we don't have any type of warnings on the plateau. Things are looking pretty good around there, and it looks like most of the advisories are currently going on across much of Middle Tennessee. Again, special weather statement for Middle Tennessee. I do want to read this real quick. It looks like there is the potential for some accumulating snowfall Friday night and early Saturday. And this goes also for Nashville, Tennessee. Looks like maybe a secondary system could bring up maybe 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of snowfall. So you might want to be careful, as it does look like Friday night could be a pretty nasty travel set up as we have a winter weather event coming in to the area. Now, once again, here's some maps I want to show you. This is actually the Clipper system I told you about earlier. There you see the Clipper system now across much of northwest Kentucky. It's going to be between now and through tomorrow morning. It's going to be about probably more than maybe near 722 miles away from the Tennessee Valley. This is going to go across portions of Kentucky down through northwest Tennessee. Well, it looks like that system is going to make its way into the area a little bit later on tomorrow afternoon. I think that's when mostly we'll start seeing some of that snow try to move out of here, and that's going to be the good news. Now, as far as accumulations go, we are watching the potential for some accumulations. As you look right here to the screen up your left side, actually your right side, your left side, depending on what side you're looking at. Left side is showing the rain potential. Now, there is a lot of that possible for the northwestern slope states, but most of it's going to be down in Florida where there could be some thunderstorms through tomorrow. Now, if you look around the snow potential there on your right side, there is actually some blue showing up across Tennessee, some light blue, some dark blue, maybe a little bit of yellow there. That's some heavy accumulation possibly. And again, we're looking at maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow possible, and maybe less for some. So we're going to watch this really closely as we work our way through the next several days. Now, currently there are no watches or warnings in effect right now. However, as we are going through the next several hours into the overnight hours tomorrow, we are watching for that potential for some winter weather. Here's the 5-day forecast as we monitor the next 5 days. We are watching several storm systems come about, and first of all, we look at Friday, which is today. Actually Thursday rather. Now today we did reach our high. We hit 41 degrees for a high. Our overnight low this morning was down to about 31. So we did good there, and still we've seen those 40% chance of off and on snow showers and sleet pellets. Actually got a great report once again from Joanne Richardson Daily and all my friends there reporting sleet, and they done a great job there. It really helps out a lot. Now as we work our way into Friday. Once again, we could see a high near 41 during the afternoon. Again, rain showers during the afternoon, but before it all changes to rain, we'll see some periods of snow through the morning hours into the early afternoon hours, and that changes back to rain with little or no snow accumulation possible, maybe near 1 to 2 inches. We'll keep an eye on that and see how things go, maybe higher for the plateau locations. We'll see a low around 28 there as we work our way through at least Friday night. That snow starts to change back. We'll start seeing more accumulating snowfall Friday night through early Saturday morning. Could see 1 to 4 inches with a high on Saturday 34 and a low of 21. Now Sunday we work our high back up to 36, but it's going to take a slow time getting there as colder air is going to stick around. That secondary shot of cold air is really what bites. Watch out for Sunday night. Lows on Sunday night may drop down to the teens, while we could see some mid to upper 40s, maybe some lower 50s, some better weather in here by Monday, with highs mid to upper 40s, lower 50s. Sunny skies and nice weather, while lows will still be in the mid 20s. Now into the extended forecast, it warms up more, going more into Wednesday and Thursday. The highs of next week, believe it or not, back to near 60 degrees. So really nice weather to get out there and enjoy. And again, right now there are no current watches or warnings here in Chestnut Ridge, nor around the Tennessee Valley, except maybe those advisories for the Smoky Mountains right on up through West Virginia. But that's about it.